Before we plunge into the breathtaking beauty of the Swiss Alps, remember to subscribe to the Tourism Hub YouTube channel for more exciting travel content. Picture this: a world where night views twinkle against towering mountains, where bustling streets weave through a diverse tapestry of natural landscapes. Imagine the allure of cascading waterfalls, tucked away in the untouched beauty of changing seasons. Yes, we're talking about the Swiss Alps, a place of mesmerizing charm and a must-visit destination. Stay tuned to uncover more about the mesmerizing Swiss Alps. As darkness descends, the Swiss Alps transform into a magical world. The mountains, once bathed in sunlight, now shimmer under the glow of 1,000 illuminations. This isn't just any ordinary night, it's a symphony of lights that dances on the canvas of the Swiss Alps, casting mesmerizing reflections on the serene lakes below. The streets, too, are alive and pulsing with vibrancy. The aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, tantalizing the senses. From the sizzling raclette cheese to the hearty rosti, each dish is a love letter to the culinary heritage of the region. The streets echo with laughter and music, the conversations blending into a harmonious hum. And then there's the thrill of exploration. Each turn introduces you to a new facet of the Swiss Alps, each alley unraveling a story. It's a nocturnal adventure that leaves you wanting more, a journey that captures the heart and soul of the Swiss Alps. But that's not all, the Swiss Alps has more to offer. The Swiss Alps is not just a winter wonderland, it's a spectacle throughout the year. With each passing season, this magnificent landscape transforms itself, captivating all those who are lucky enough to witness it. Spring arrives with a burst of color, as the alpine meadows explode with a riot of flowers, painting the mountains in hues of yellow, pink, and blue. The waterfalls, fed by melting snow, cascade down the mountainsides in a thunderous spectacle, a sight to behold indeed. It's the perfect season for leisurely hikes, and perhaps a picnic by a babbling brook. As summer takes hold, the snow recedes to reveal green pastures, and the waterfalls become gentle streams, meandering through the valleys. This is the time for adventurous souls to take to the mountain trails, or perhaps try their hand at rock climbing. Autumn paints the Swiss Alps in shades of gold and red. The waterfalls, replenished by the autumn rains, regain their vigor. It's a season of tranquility, perfect for a peaceful walk amidst the fall foliage. Winter, of course, brings the snow. The Swiss Alps don a white cloak, transforming into a true winter wonderland. The waterfalls freeze into spectacular ice sculptures, and the mountains become a playground for skiers and snowboarders. As we wrap up our journey, let's summarize the wonders of the Swiss Alps that we've explored. The Swiss Alps is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. This majestic mountain range, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a symphony of nature's grandeur, bustling street life, and the changing seasons, all of which we've explored in this video. From the mesmerizing night views, where the lights dance like stars descended on Earth, to the vibrant street life that pulses with energy, the Swiss Alps is a feast for the senses. The allure of the changing seasons, each with its unique charm, is irresistible. Spring blooms with life, summer glows with warmth, autumn sets the landscapes ablaze with color, and winter wraps everything in a pristine white blanket. And who could forget the majestic waterfalls? They cascade down the mountainsides, a testament to the relentless power and beauty of nature. The Swiss Alps is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey, a story. Subscribe to the Tourism Hub YouTube channel and join us on more exciting journeys around the world.